You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you call the name of this font? Very popular, and you would have noticed that it is indeed the font I've used right here for the word itself. It's a neo-grotesque typeface or sans serif typeface. But how do you say it? Arial font, not Arial. Arial would be like the girl's name, okay, spelled A-R-I-E-L. This one is A-R-I-A-L. Arial, not Arial. Arial font. Arial, neo-grotesque typeface. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.